I'm going to talk about something that I really believe in, is the content rule. Since we are talking a lot about content, I like to say and live by the 70-20-10% rule when it comes to content. 70% of everything that I'm going to share is going to be about my industry. So I'm going to be sharing about professional branding, connectivity, networking, marketing, social media, social selling. This is the industry that I'm working. 20% of the content that I'm going to be sharing can be directly related to Tricycle, for example. So it could be a product or a service that we have. Maybe it's a webinar that we did, or maybe an event that we're hosting. This will be direct ad, promotional from the company. 10% is going to be personal content. I know that some people think that LinkedIn is a professional network and we shouldn't be talking about personal things there, but the truth is we are trying to build relationships. And if you're not adding a little bit of your personality, if you're not giving a little bit more of the human side of you, you're not building an actual relationship. So try to balance. And if you're posting 80% of industry and 10% of company, or switching a little bit, it's not the key thing. But the key understanding is the majority of your content will not be about your company, will be about your industry, about how you can help others. Then you can directly sell the company in that 20% and a little bit of a personal. The personal ones are great for you to have higher engagement. But we're not only here for the engagement, we are also here to drive relationships, to drive businesses. We're not going to get there through the personal content. So we are just having a mix.